In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove and re-add a payment card on Uber Eats and refresh Chrome if your payment method isn't working. If you're running into billing issues, card verification problems, or a payment method that just won't go through, this is a simple process that can often help. We'll update the saved card details and clear the browser cache to make sure Chrome isn't holding on to outdated payment information. Start by opening Google Chrome and going to ubereats.com. Once the page loads, sign in if you're not already signed in, then look for your user profile. Click on your profile to open the account menu, and from there, choose Wallet. This is where Uber Eats stores your saved payment methods, including cards you've used before. Inside the Wallet section, find the card that's causing the issue. Take a second to make sure you've selected the correct one, especially if you have multiple payment methods saved. Once you've found the problematic card, click Remove. This deletes the saved version of the card from your account, which can help if the stored information is outdated, incomplete, or affected by a sync issue. After removing the card, the next step is to clear Chrome's cache. This helps remove old browser data that may interfere with payment pages or autofill behavior. To do that, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard at the same time. Chrome will open the Clear Browsing Data window. From there, clear the cached files so the browser can load a fresh version of the site. This step is especially useful if Uber Eats keeps showing old payment details or doesn't properly save your changes. Once that's done, go back to Uber Eats and return to the Wallet section if needed. Click Add Payment Method. Now carefully re-enter the card information exactly as it appears, including the billing digits and the billing address. Accuracy matters here, because even a small mismatch between the card details and the billing address on file with your bank can cause the payment method to fail. As you type, go slowly and double check everything before saving. Make sure the billing address matches the one connected to the card and avoid relying on autofill if you suspect it may be entering old or incorrect details. After you save the payment method, the updated card should be ready to use.